The EBRD is working in Albania now since 1993. We have an active portfolio which is investing about 100 million euro per year. Last year we had a record of 90 million euro, and this year we're hoping to surpass that level. The bank has invested over the last 15 years in Albania 550 million euro total, and that investment has brought with it additional financing of 1.6 billion euro from our co-financiers and partners. I think the most important thing we do is we change standards, so the companies we work with are setting the highest standard in business governance, in environmental governance, and social standards. So the projects we work with set a standard for Albania and put Albania on the map in terms of attractiveness to other investors. But one of the highlights of success in Albania has been the decision to go with a concession, a private concession for the Tirana International Airport. They have carried out an internationally acceptable tender to hire an internationally recognized firm, Haktif, which is now managing the Tirana International Airport. EBRD worked with the investors, who were chosen in a fair and transparent way, to make sure that the financing was available for a high-quality international airport. I believe it's one of the only international concessions which is working in the Balkans, if not in all of the country of the EBRD's countries of operations. And we've financed 2 stages of the project. The total disbursed from the EBRD was 40 million euro. The number of tourists passing through Tirana has doubled in the last 5 years, partly because there's now an efficient airport to pass through, and we're proud that we've financed it. Going from the airport, it's an interesting thing to come to Albania. You can come into the airport, into an airport financed by the EBRD, travel down a road that's been financed by the EBRD, pass over a municipal bridge that's been financed by the EBRD, into a hotel which has been financed by the EBRD, perhaps get your power from a project which is financed by the EBRD, use a telephone which is financed by the EBRD, and if you leave on your way to Italy, soon you'll be passing through a ferry terminal which was financed by the EBRD. So the visitor to Albania should know, I think, and be happy that the EBRD is helping the country develop in a way that will make their visit much more pleasant and make Albania an attractive place to do business.